Google just did something bizarre. They promised us Android 17 Beta 1 on Wednesday. Then at the last second, they vanished it into thin air. No explanation, no apology. Just coming soon. Well, guess what? It is finally here. And the silence around why it disappeared, that is the real story. If you want to stay ahead of the Android game, smash that like button, share this with your tech friends, and subscribe so you never miss a drop like this again. So here is what went down. Android 17 Beta 1 was supposed to roll out on February 11th. Developers were ready. Tech enthusiasts had their Pixel phones charged and waiting, and then nothing. Google pulled the plug minutes after the scheduled launch. The only thing they said was that the beta was coming soon. No technical issues mentioned, no timeline given, just radio silence. Fast forward 2 days, and the beta has quietly started rolling out to Pixel devices enrolled in Google's beta program. The update is live, but here's the thing. Google still has not told us why they delayed it in the first place. But here is where it gets interesting. This is not just a bug fix. Android 17 Beta 1 has features Google clearly did not want to rush. First, Google is now forcing app developers to adapt their layouts to any screen size. If your app does not work on foldables or tablets, it will not work on Android 17. Period. Think foldables, tablets, and phones with weird aspect ratios. No more broken layouts or awkward stretching. Then there is the camera fix. You know that annoying stutter when you switch lenses mid-video? Gone. Android 17's new camera APIs eliminate glitches when you are switching between ultra-wide, main, and telephoto modes. Smoother transitions, no more dropped frames. And there are mystery visual updates Google is not talking about yet. Classic Google, but let us circle back to the elephant in the room. Why the delay? Google is usually pretty transparent when something goes wrong. If there is a critical bug, they say so. If there is a security issue, they address it. But this time, nothing. That silence is what makes this whole thing so strange. Was it a bug that could have bricked phones? A feature they pulled at the last second? Or something they do not want us to know about? We just do not know. So Android 17 Beta 1 is here. The delay is over, but the mystery, that is just getting started. What was Google hiding? What did they fix in those 2 extra days? And more importantly, what did they not tell us? Keep your eyes on this space, because something tells me this story is not over yet.